electrifying performance that was our talented students truly captured the spirit and energy of Lord Shiva's stand-up. The stage is buzzing with excitement and it's time for a super fun and adorable performance. We all love exploring the wonders of nature, and what could be more exciting than a journey through the jungle? Our little stars from class nursery are ready to take us on a fun-filled adventure with their performance on the popular song Jungle Jungle Baat Chali Hai. With their good moves and joyful energy, they were sure to make us smile and remind us of the beauty of nature. So let's welcome our tiny stars with big cheers and lot of encouragement as they take us into the jungle. Participants are Rahul, Shayani, Arup, Shubhranil, Aditya, Shreya, Shreyanji, Shraddha, রঞ্জিতা, সঞ্জনা, অঙ্কু, অমৃত, অঙ্কিতা, অনির্বাণ, মানব, বিশ্বরূপ, ইরাজ, সায়নী and Ayan.